To download the Crimson Diamond on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an application that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. This is a straightforward process that begins with a Google search for Steam, where you'll find the link store.steampowered.com. Click on Welcome to Steam, and then select Install Steam, choosing your platform. In most cases, this will be Windows. After clicking Install Steam again, the Steam setup will download to your computer. Open the setup, and a window will appear. Click Next, select your language, and choose the destination folder for the Steam installation. You can either leave this as is or change it, depending on your preferences. Once you've done that, press Install, and Steam will automatically install on your computer. With Steam installed, open the app, and you'll be prompted to either log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, creating one is easy and will guide you through the process. After logging in, you should see the Steam Store screen. If not, click on Store at the top of the page. In the search box, located on the right side of the screen, type in The Crimson Diamond, which is the name of the game you want to download. The game should appear in the search results. Click on it, and then scroll down to the Buy the Crimson Diamond section. Click on this, then Add to Cart and View Cart. You'll be asked if you want to buy the game for your account or as a gift for someone else. After selecting your option, click Continue to Payment. You'll then be able to choose your payment method from a drop-down menu. Select the one that suits you best, and click Continue. You'll need to go through the checkout process, paying for the game and completing the purchase. Once you've done that, the game will be added to your Steam library. To access the game, click on Library at the top of the Steam screen. You'll see the game listed, with an Install button next to it. Click on this button to start the installation process. You'll be given the option to create a desktop or start menu shortcut and choose which drive to install the game to. Make your selections, and then click Install. The game will begin downloading and installing on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you'll see that the Install button has been replaced with a green Play button. Click on this to launch the game, and you can start playing.